Hydrogels. Hydrogels contain very big molecules with an open structure that can absorb large amounts of water. These gels can swell and shrink in response to changes in temperature or pH by absorbing more or less water. Some gels can swell up to 800 times their original volume. Uses of hydrogels. Hydrogel dressings are used to treat any type of burn or hard-to-heal wound, like a leg ulcer. The gels absorb toxic waste products excreted by the wound, form a sterile barrier, and prevent dehydration. In addition, the dressings have a cooling and soothing sensation, helping to relieve pain. The gel is transparent and allows instant monitoring of the wound. Hydrogels are also used to make disposable contact lenses. These lenses allow maximum oxygen transmission into the eye. This reduces the tendency for corneal inflammation and swelling, irritation and infection.